Did I do it? Yeah. First, determine whether f has an inverse. Is f 1 to 1? Use the horizontal line test. If I graph this function here, is this, what type of, just by looking at it, what shape is it?
Parabola.
Nope, there's no squared. There's no x in the denominator.
Straight line.
It is a linear function. Okay, do linear functions pass the horizontal line test?
Yep.
Yes, they do. Okay, so then that's fine. Then it says, in the equation for f of x, replace f of x by y. Fine, here we go. Y equals 5 minus 3x over 2. Next one. Solve for x. Okay. Well, what am I going to do if I solve for x? What do I do
Times
first?
it by 2.
Okay. Then?
Minus 5.
5 by 3.
Not quite.
Why not?
Up a look. There you go.
Then what do you do?
Well, divide by negative 3.
That's what I said.
That's okay. All right. Be careful to keep that negative there.
Good thing you said that. I cut it off. Okay.
Times y.
Okay?
Yep.
Now, what's the next step? Interchange the letters x and y. Remember how before I had you switch letters right away? They have you solve for x, then switch letters. It doesn't matter when you do it. So,
It's going to stop raining at 3 o'clock.
okay.
At 6:30 it will.
Yes.
Nope. We didn't times everything by 5.
No, I subtracted
Oh,
5.
yeah, I'm gonna pour until 5:30.
Okay? All right. Then the next step is they say to replace the y with the little inverse f symbol. So now f of inverse of x equals 2x minus 5 over 3. There you go. Oh, wow.
Negative 3.
Now we need to verify that they're inverses of each other using composition.
Negative 3.
Oh, thank you. How am I going to verify these are inverses of each other?
Graph.
I could graph it, or I could put this whole thing in for the original x and see if everything cancels out and I get an x. That's gonna no, I'm not gonna have you do that right now. You will be have to do it at some point, but I'm not going to make you do it for these because it is a lot of work. But I want to go through this one right there. Okay?
So,
All right, let's do this one. I know that B and C are down below, but I'm going to jump over to D for the sake of time. All right, here we go. First things first, y equals x plus 3. Okay, now in this case, you guys, I need to get x by itself. This is going to take a couple more steps than maybe what we're used to, okay? Because what we need to do first here is multiply both sides by x minus 2. So I'm going to get y times x minus 2 equals x plus 3.
minus 3.
Oops. Nope, don't minus 3 yet. Distribute the y inside. What am I looking for? Remember, what am I trying to get by itself? The x. You have to, this sort of problem we're going to make a little bit messier before we make it neater. Now, gather the x's on one side over there. So we're going to move this over there.
Teachers and students,
Whoops, 1 second.
as we prepare to go into our academic lab here